It's a neat concept. Oh, well. Figured out why nothing's lining up. The middle floor support's friggin' shoved up, so we got the middle floor support bolted on, but everything else is loose. So now we'll just lift that up and hopefully see what happens. Can't really saw it, but kinda. Frame cigarette, no liney uppy. More. More. Yeah, we're off big time, so what do we gotta do there? Get in it. Jump up. We'll look underneath and see if it's moving. It's getting closer. Yep. I don't know. Oh. Pretty sure we dicked her.
What happened?
Dicked her.
Dexter?
Dicked her.
Dexter?
Yep. Yep, where it just went right back to where she was. Oh no. No.
Well, the only other thing to do is lift it up and weld it. Weld her in place. Get her where you want it at your 49. Because that bar's got to come, this middle piece has to come out too. This piece has to come.
Gonna have to bash the shit out of it, I think. I might have to just get in there and Ted DiBiase it, you know what I mean? 49.
That works then.
Yeah.
Couldn't have been right back to where it was. But that one guy's not attached, he can go upward. Hopefully if he goes up, this comes out.
Fix this. On that side, it's definitely going to go this way.
I don't even see a hole. Oh, there we go.
Look, she's right in alignment. Fucking bolt right down to it.
Nail sticking out of that.
I saw him right here if you're looking for him.
Too late. You want to know where they actually go in real life?
Out in the yard somewhere?
Nope. Quit.
What are you doing?
Getting out of my pajamas.
Oh my god.
Saves my clothes, saves my truck.
She's straighter than from the factory now, boys. She's probably straighter than from the factory. We put the level right on the side. Got the floor thing friggin' almost straight. The copacetic now. Seatbelt bolt. There's a couple broke off ones. We got a torch out of there, but again, no oxygen till the Tuesday after next, probably. But yeah, get all that bullshit welded in. Now we know the doors will fit. We should take those off before you go. You took your blouse off a little bit too soon there, crawdad. Let's zip these doors off here quick.
I'm going with it. Oh, I don't know. You can hide it over there if you want.
Just disemboweled your shit?
I was shot back into the stairs and I pulled on the thing and it decided to come down the stairs, and I had my back to it like this. All of a sudden it like pummeled me down the stairs.
Nice.
So then I caught it upside down and hit this elbow right here, and I knew as soon as it hit me, I knew I was leaking. So then I grabbed the shot back, and the cord's only so long, so that pretty much saved me from going all the way down the stairs. So then I had to carry it up the stairs so I could unplug it to carry it down the stairs so I could finish wrapping it. But in the meantime, I had to get a rag because I was leaking all over the floor.
Oh, and the new carpet?
Oh, we don't have new carpet yet.
What do you got?
We got old carpet. We want to get new hardwood, but your mom hasn't decided what kind she wants yet, and she wants me to go with her shopping to look for it. And I don't really feel like going shopping to look for hardwood.
Probably sound hardwood before, have you? Sound hardwood, like you've sonked it? I need to go looking around and stuff at it.
Oh no, but there are different colors and shades and thicknesses and widths and.
Just get the fucking linoleum shit, the fucking click together stuff.
Yeah, man. Chamber. Yeah, that in a house.
Where you live?
Yeah.
And shit and eat and fart? Oh. Well, that's probably here for today. Holy shit. We fucking fucked up bad. Wow. That's fucking so not good. Oh my goodness gracious. But, yeah, it's probably a lot straighter than it was. Like when you shut the doors now, you can put the level across there and it's only just to barely even notice it. Barely even notice she's out. I wonder what happened up here. I might be able to get rid of that. See that? Just a little.
Grinder and door full of, well.
Holy. For what?
Fill the ground, the gaps.
Simmer down. Oh my god. But yeah, that's her. Another 80-90 days and might be ready to paint it. That'd be awesome. In 80-90 days of paint prep left to do and it'll be ready to go probably. So that's good. That's good, probably. Oh shit, my sandwich.